Imagine every interaction in your relationship as a bank transaction, either a deposit or a withdrawal. Small moments, like a smile or a forgotten promise, add up over time, creating a balance of trust or tension. When deposits outweigh withdrawals, love thrives. When the opposite happens, connection quietly erodes. Today we'll explore how to intentionally build a rich, resilient love, one small deposit at a time. One of the biggest deposits, keeping your promises. Trust isn't built on grand gestures, but on the daily act of doing what you say you'll do. Every time you follow through, you say, "You can count on me." Broken promises, even small ones, chip away at trust and create doubt. Integrity means being mindful of your commitments and communicating if you can't follow through. Reliability isn't just about tasks. It's about respect and love. Keeping your word is a powerful, silent, "I love you." Emotional validation is the act of making your partner feel truly seen, heard, and understood. It's about showing them that their feelings matter to you, even if you don't always agree with their perspective. Especially during tough times, validation can be a lifeline. When your partner is struggling, your willingness to listen and acknowledge their emotions can make all the difference. Instead of trying to fix the problem or dismiss their feelings, step into their world. Say things like, "That sounds really tough. Tell me more." This simple act can help your partner feel safe and supported. Remember, you don't have to agree with everything they say, just acknowledge that their feelings are real and valid. This builds trust and emotional safety. Validation is like making a huge deposit in your relationship's emotional bank account. On the other hand, invalidation, like saying "you're overreacting," is a major withdrawal that can damage your connection. When people feel dismissed or ignored, they often shut down and stop sharing their true feelings, which can create distance and resentment over time. Practice empathy by listening for the emotion beneath the words. Reflect it back to your partner so they know you're truly present and care about what they're experiencing. For example, you might say, "It sounds like you felt really disrespected." That's empathy in action, and it can be incredibly healing. Mastering this skill fills your emotional bank account faster than almost anything else, creating a foundation of trust, closeness, and lasting connection in your relationship. Active listening is a conscious choice. Put down your phone, turn to your partner, and make a deliberate effort to be present in the moment. It's about showing your partner that they have your undivided attention, even if just for a few minutes. Give your full attention, not just with your ears, but with your eyes, your posture, and your energy. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. Instead, focus on what your partner is really saying, both verbally and non-verbally. Genuinely try to understand their perspective, even if it's different from your own. This means listening with empathy and patience. Ask clarifying questions to show you care about their feelings and to make sure you truly understand their point of view. This helps you get the full picture, and it reassures your partner that their thoughts matter. This focused attention is a massive deposit into your relationship's emotional bank account, sending the message, "You matter to me, and I value what you have to say." On the other hand, passive or distracted listening, like nodding while scrolling your phone, interrupting or offering advice too soon, can actually drain your connection and leave your partner feeling ignored or unimportant. These habits can create distance and misunderstandings, making it harder to resolve conflicts or feel close. Practice presence. When your partner speaks, set aside distractions and tune in completely. Notice not just their words, but also their tone, facial expressions and gestures. Listen to their words' tone and the emotions behind them. Pay attention to body language, which often reveals more than words alone ever could. This is how you build a relationship based on trust, respect, and genuine understanding. When both people feel truly heard, your connection deepens and your bond grows stronger. Rituals of connection are the small, consistent things you do together that create a sense of us. These moments might seem simple or even ordinary, but over time they become the glue that holds your relationship together. Whether it's a shared smile in the morning or a gentle touch before bed, these rituals remind you that you're a team, facing life side by side. It's not about big vacations or grand gestures, but about the daily or weekly habits, like savoring morning coffee together, sharing a 6-second kiss before heading out, or simply checking in with each other after a long day. These small acts build a foundation of trust and intimacy. These rituals are like deposits in your relationship's emotional bank account, reinforcing your identity as a couple and reminding you of the love and care you share. They help you weather challenges and celebrate joys, big or small. When these rituals are neglected, the relationship can start to feel transactional, routine, or even distant. The warmth and connection that once felt effortless may begin to fade, leaving you feeling more like roommates than partners. Life gets busy and it's easy to let these moments slip away. But protecting and prioritizing them, even in small ways, keeps your bond strong and helps you stay connected through life's ups and downs. If you don't have a ritual yet, start small. Maybe a nightly, "What was the best part of your day?" or a morning hug. Over time, these simple acts can become cherished traditions that nurture your relationship. These anchors replenish your emotional bank account with shared love, helping you feel seen, valued, and truly connected to each other, no matter what life brings. Affectionate touch, holding hands, a lingering hug, a gentle touch, communicates warmth and safety. It's a direct deposit into your emotional bank account, releasing oxytocin and deepening connection. The absence of touch can create emotional distance and loneliness. Be intentional. Reach for your partner's hand, give a real hug. Let your knee rest against theirs. Dr. Gottman recommends a 6-second hug to boost bonding. Small, consistent acts of physical affection keep your relationship warm and connected. Don't underestimate the power of simple touch. Words matter. Verbal affirmations, expressing appreciation, admiration, and affection, are powerful deposits. Thank your partner, compliment them, notice the good, and say it out loud. These words make your partner feel seen and valued. Criticism and contempt, on the other hand, are corrosive withdrawals. Shift your focus. Look for things to appreciate and voice them daily. Even one genuine compliment a day can transform your relationship. Choose words that build up, not tear down. Life is stressful, but sharing that stress can bring you closer. Dr. Gottman's stress-reducing conversation is a daily ritual. Take turns venting and just listen with empathy. Don't fix, don't judge, just validate. "That sounds awful, I'm on your side." This support is a huge deposit, saying, "We're a team." When support is absent or met with distraction, it's a major withdrawal. Build this ritual into your life. Put away distractions and truly listen. Ask, "How was your day, really?" And let your partner unload. This practice builds a deep reserve of goodwill and connection. Dr. Gottman discovered a magic ratio: 5 positive interactions for every 1 negative. Happy couples don't avoid conflict, they just flood the relationship with positivity. When the ratio slips, negativity overwhelms and connection suffers. Aim for 5 smiles, thank yous, or affectionate moments for every withdrawal. It's not about perfection, but about being intentional with kindness and appreciation. Ask yourself, are you creating enough positive moments to keep your relationship thriving? Just like a bank account, check your emotional balance regularly. Set aside time to ask, "How are we doing? Have I made enough deposits?" This conversation takes courage, but it's a huge deposit of care. Avoidance drains the account with unspoken resentments. Schedule a monthly State of the Union to catch issues early and repair. Ask, "What made you feel loved this week? Anything that made you feel disconnected?" Proactive check-ins ensure your love doesn't just survive, but thrives. A rich emotional account is built in small, everyday moments. How you show up, speak, and connect. Every smile, every "I see you," every hug is a choice to invest in your relationship. You have the power to shape your love's future. What's your next deposit? Maybe a 6-second hug, a thank you, or putting your phone down to listen. Share your favorite tip in the comments. And if this video helped, make a deposit here, like, share and subscribe. Let's build a life of connection, one small deposit at a time.